Please, anything I say, you respond and accept, okay?
Lulu, I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. They've been insulting you.
Be sorry, my sister. I say it's going easy. My sister, things have been going through me, but as a satanic agent, I can't voice it out. You understand? It's not fair. Is that how we treat a satanic people? So my sister is very, very thick, but yeah. My sister, anything I say, you respond, accept, okay?
Okay.
La satanic, l'accept.
L'accept.
La satanic, l'accept.
L'accept.
La satanic, l'accept.
L'accept.
Oh, my sister, you have done well, okay? Thanks for giving me your soul. I'm very happy you have given your soul to me. Right now, you are a full-time satanic. You are a satanian. And from
So,
tomorrow, you will be you will be satanicing. So let me pick your name. After the life, I will inbox you. Then we take it from there, okay?
Where am I getting the money?
Oh, my sister, will you keep quiet? Relax for me, my sister, please. I have taken your name, so you will hear from me, okay?
Okay, but I need the money.
Oh, my sister. So right now, are you just seeing me? Are you just taking money by force from me? You just sold your soul. I haven't even stamped the soul or the spiritual backup. You haven't done spiritual
I don't want
backup.
to be angry. I don't want to be angry again. Sorry, Tifa.
It's okay. Thank you. We shall see. We shall meet again.
Okay.
Small Lucifer agent a day. Now people want me to lose my position. People want to do things for me to say something, then I will lose my position. That is Africa. It pain people that I was the chosen one. It really pain Africans that me, Ferronan, I'm the agent. It really pains them. So they want to find reasons and kill my shine. As a satanic agent, they want to kill my shine, but I bet you, nobody can take my place as a satanic agent. Lucifer. If I don't meet Lucifer, where would I be? Where would I be without Lucifer? Where? Oh, it's a cheek of it. Hello.
Hello.
Are you selling your soul to the Lucifer?
Daddy Lucifer.
Oh, Lulu.
Yes.
Are you selling your soul?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
Yes, baby.
My sister, I told you people, this baby thing is costing me a lot in Satanic Temple. When I go there, they be like, I'm just making, I'm womanizer.
So I'm sorry, baby.
Baby, please. Baby, I am womanizer.
Please let me talk.
Oh, what is baby?
Because you are so handsome. You are so handsome. That's why I'm sorry. I love your pink lips. You are so handsome. Oh yeah, let's proceed. I'm sorry. Let's proceed.
Why? Please, anything I say, you
let's proceed.
Anything I say, you respond and accept, okay?
Okay.
La satanic, l'accept.
La sprick.
La sprick. La sprick. La satanic, l'accept.
La sprick.
La sprick. Red mouse. Said by red mouse. Said, la sprick said by red mouse. La satanic, l'accept.
La sprick.
Sprick. La sprick.
I love you.
It's not your fault. La sprick. Red mouse. La sprick.
I love your pink lips. I swear.
Oh, yeah.
You are so handsome. Can we be friends?
Friends for what, my sister?
I'll come and take you.
You will come and do it?
Like, I want to be with you. I want to be with you.
It seems you are lost.
I'm selling my soul now. You want to take it. What's this now? Let's proceed.
Who should proceed with? Have you seen what organic has done in your face? If I talk, they will say satanic agent is too noisy. Organic. Come and organic. Have you seen organic on your face? Have you seen the results? Have you seen the results? Right now, you are looking like a car with reverse. A car coming reverse. That is how you are looking like. A car coming reverse. Your cheeks is here. Your nose is here. Misplaced face. Everything is misplaced. All in the name of organic. Organic cream. And you are here telling me last sprit. Oh yes, your face is spritted. Last sprit. No problem. I don't blame you. I blame organic cream. Lucifer, can't you see I'm tired? Lulu. Oh, Lu, have mercy. Die he, Lucifer. Die he, Lucifer. Have mercy on me. Die he. Die he, Lucifer. Why? Tell me understand, Ambi. Next. So, next. Next, please. Let me turn on the guest request off request. The satanic gifters, I see you. Yes, that is Prince. Prince, I see you. J Love and who else? The satanic gifters, I see you. Yes, that is 21 Psalms 1. Okay, 21 Psalms 1, 2. I see you. Who else? Debbie, I see you. Let me turn on the guest request. Come and sell your soul to the devil. Trust me, devil will never turn his back against you. Lucifer is the only man who can make you the head but not the tail. He is the only man who can pick you from nowhere and position you where you belong. He is the only man who can pick you from a molecule and position you on a solid ground. Please, come and sell your soul. I say come and sell your soul to Lucifer. I say come and sell your soul to... I say come and sell your soul to Lucifer. I say come and sell your soul to Lucifer. Lucifer has done so much for me. Lucifer has done so much for me. And I can't tell it all. And I can't... Next. Lulu. Hello.
Hello.
Please, are you selling your soul to the devil?
How are you?
By the grace of Lucifer, I'm fine. Are you
Yeah.
selling your... Are you
Yeah, but
selling
take
your
it
soul?
easy. Calm down.
Okay, please.
Yes, just take calm down.
It's
Take a
not
deep
me.
breath.
Okay.
How are you first?
Fine.
Have you eaten?
Oh, my sister. Are you selling your soul?
Okay, let's proceed.
Okay, thank you.
But sorry, can I say something really important? Can I say something, please?
Anything I say, you respond, accept, okay? La Satanic, accept.
You say?
I say anything I say, you respond, accept, okay?
Can you tell me the meaning of that? What's the meaning? Is that a Ghanaian language?
You are having an encounter with Lucifer, please.
I want to know the language first. What language is that?
It's Patois. Where are those?
Okay.
Where are those? Where are those? Oh, I think we lost them. Next. We lost them. We lost them. So someone will come then. By the time I close, 4 souls. Oh. Then the rest will be insults. 4 souls. 1,000 insults. But it should be 1,000 souls for insult. But welcome to Africa, where they pursue 4 souls, 3,000 insults. When I come here, by the time I close 4 souls, 1,000 insults. Why? Hey. Next. Easy. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, please, are you selling your soul to the devil?
Yes, I'm selling my soul to the devil.
Can you bring your face?
Why do you want to see my face? I want
nothing,
to sell
nothing, please. No problem, okay.
Yeah, but you have to ask me why, the reason I'm selling my soul. You didn't ask me, you want to just put. You have to
It's
ask.
okay, you did. Don't worry, it's okay.
Ask me why am I selling my soul? You don't do things like that.
It's not needed. It's not needed.
It's needed because I have problem. You have to ask me first.
I won't ask, my sister. I won't ask.
Okay, since you will ask, let me tell you by myself. Yeah, I'm having big problem with me here. I just need money right now. You have to send me the money right away when I sold my
higher your voice. I don't know. I can't hear you.
I said, it's okay. Let me speak broken. I get better, you understand? Can I sell my baking soul? Or I will just sell only my soul?
How can a man get pregnant?
I'm not a man, I'm a woman. Don't you see me?
Oh, you are not a man?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Please help me. Help me. I get better.
Your profile picture, is it your husband?
My profile picture?
Yeah, is it your husband?
It's not my husband. It's me. It's my picture.
Hey!
What? As I was saying, I get below 4 months, but I can't buy baby food. That's why I'm here. I need money to buy my baby food.
Hey! Tilapia.
Can you hear me?
Hey, tilapia.
Can you hear me? I said I want to buy baby things. I need money.
Hey, which baby soul?
I said I get below 4 months. My husband left me, my boyfriend. We are not together.
Hey, my sister. Satanic gifters, I see you.
Can you support me? You have been supporting people, but I don't know why
support. Don't worry, I was. Hey.
But please, can you talk to my boyfriend for me? Let me give you a number to beg him for me to come back to me.
My sister, please tackle your own thing, okay? From you and me, you even have muscular than me. You will even have muscular than me. So go and tackle him yourself, okay? Me, as you see me, so na slim bobo. So you that you have muscular, go and tackle him yourself, okay? Me, I'm agent.
Please,
I beg you, okay?
Let me give you a number to call him and beg him
my
for me.
My sister, please. You self, if I misbehave, you can give me headaches. You can give me headaches.
So, help me.
My sister, Terminator 4, go and tackle your own thing. Why?
Satanic agents, see. Doctor said I have to have faith. Listen. Doctor said I have to have faith.
My sister, keep quiet. I can't keep quiet.
I have to go with operation. Please, Satanic agent.
Hey, my sister, keep quiet, please.
Satanic agent, please help me. Doctor said if I did access, I have to go with operation. Please help me so that I can have sex with the baby of my father. Let me give you the number first. You write the number.
My sister, please.
Okay. Just promise me that you will call him for me and beg him for me.
Who call you? You look yourself. You that you have muscular. My sister, la Satanic accept. La Satanic accept. La Satanic accept. We are done with you. You have sold yourself. We shall meet again. Go ahead, sit down. Hey.